Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we will begin with the lesson number 8 of your class 1 science, that is the clothes we wear. You know, the clothes we wear protect us from heat, cold and lights and rain. So there are different kinds of clothes we wear in different seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer season that absorbs our sweat. We wear woolen clothes in winter season that keeps our body warm. So let's begin with this lesson कि हम different clothes क्यों पहनते हैं और कहाँ पे पहनते हैं और हमारी body को क्या needs होती है clothes की. So in this chapter we will study about needs of clothes कि body को भी needs क्या होती है clothes के लिए. Special clothes uniform, जो special cloth होती है उसको कहते हैं uniform that you wear in your schools. Kinds of clothes, कितने kinds से clothes होते हैं. Here you have to look at the picture given below and arrange the letters in correct order to find the correct word. This is your homework you can do on your own. Need of clothes, हमें clothes की need क्यों होती है? First, we wear clothes to protect our bodies from heat, cold and rain. हम क्यों wear करते हैं clothes को protect करने के लिए? अपनी bodies को protect करने के लिए. किससे? Heat से, cold से and rain से. We do not wear same kinds of clothes. हम same kinds के clothes नहीं पहनते all through the year. पूरे year हम same kinds के clothes नहीं पहनते ना. In summer we wear cotton clothes and in winter we wear woolen clothes. Kinds of clothes. Kinds of clothes क्या होते हैं? We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer season because they keep us cool. वो cool कैसे रखते हैं? Because they absorb the sweat of our body. We get cotton from the cotton plant. हमें cotton कहाँ से मिलती है? We get cotton from the cotton plant. Some cotton clothes are given below. These all are the examples of the cotton clothes like cotton shirt, cotton shorts, cotton t-shirt, cotton frock. Now we wear woolen clothes in winters. Everyone knows when you wear woolen clothes. You wear woolen clothes in your winter season. They keep us warm. ये हमें क्या रखते हैं? Warm रखते हैं. We get wool from animals like sheep, lamb, camel and even rabbit. हमें wool कहाँ से मिलती है? Sheep से मिलती है, lamb से मिलती है, camel से मिलती है और rabbit से मिलती है. So do you know some clothes are made of silk? कुछ clothes किसके बने होते हैं? Silk के बने होते हैं. Silk is obtained from silkworms. Silk हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? Silkworms से मिलता है. Some woolen clothes are given below. These are some woolen clothes like muffler, jackets, woolen caps, sweater. They all are made from the woolen. These are the woolen clothes. When it rains, we wear raincoat and gum boots. जब rain होती है हम क्या पहनते हैं? Raincoat पहनते हैं और gum boots पहनते हैं. We also carry an umbrella. हम अपने साथ umbrella carry करते हैं. All these keep us dry. ये सब चीजें हमें क्या रखती है? Dry रखती हैं. Like umbrella हम कब use करते हैं? जब बारिश हो रही होती है, rain हो रही होती है. Raincoat and gum boots also at the time of rain. In India, people in different regions wear different types of clothes as per their need. India में different type of people जो होते हैं different types of clothes पहनते हैं अपनी needs के according. Like in Punjab, people wear salwar suit, dhoti kurta. And in Rajasthan, women wear lehenga choli. In Goa, people wear this dress. And in Kashmir, people wear this type of dress. Now, women of different states tie sari in different ways. जो हमारे इंडिया में वुमेन्स होती है different states की, वो different types से sarees को tie करती है. Like women in Maharashtra wear this type of sari. Women in Kashmir wear this type of sari. Women in Uttar Pradesh wear this type of sari. And women in Rajasthan wear this type of saris. Women in Punjab wear salwar suits. Women in West Bengal wear this type of sarees. So on next page, women wear sari, blouse, lehenga, choli, odhni, salwar suit and dupatta. क्या क्या पहनती है women? Lehenga, choli, odhni, salwar suit and dupattas. Here's a picture of a sari blouse. Here's the lehenga choli. Here's the salwar suit and dupatta that women wear. Men generally wear shirt or t-shirt with trousers. किस हिसाब पहनते हैं men t-shirt और shirt with trousers. They also wear kurta pajama और धोती कुर्ता. वो कुर्ता पजामा भी पहनते हैं और धोती कुर्ता भी पहनते हैं. In some states, people wear turbans. कुछ states है people turbans पहनते हैं. Like in Rajasthan and Punjab, people wear turbans. Here is a man wearing shirt, pant, his kurta pajama and dhoti kurta. Now, circle the clothes we wear in winter season. You have to circle the clothes जो हम winter seasons पे पहनते हैं. Like muffler, sweater, cap. These clothes we wear in winter season. Now, special clothes uniform. Special clothes क्या होती है? Special clothes are called uniform that policemen wears, that doctors wear, that nurse wear, like army officer wears and you wear in your schools. People also wear special clothes. People जो होते हैं special clothes पहनते हैं according to the work they do. किसके according? जो work करते हैं. These clothes are called uniform. उन clothes को क्या कहते हैं? Uniform कहते हैं. Like air hostess is wearing this uniform. A lawyer is wearing a black coat and a white tie. Policeman wears the khaki uniform and doctors wear the white coat or blazer. Children wear a uniform at school. आप कहाँ पे पहनते हो अपनी uniform को? At your schools always. Clothes make us look smart. Clothes हमें क्या बनाते हैं? Smart look देते हैं. We should wear clean and well ironed clothes. हमें हमेशा clean और well ironed clothes पहनने चाहिए. Here is a recapitulation of this whole lesson. We need clothes to cover our body. हमें clothes क्यों चाहिए होता है? अपनी body को cover करने के लिए चाहिए होता है. Second, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes किससे बचाते हैं? हमें heat से बचाता है, cold से बचाता है, rain से बचाता है और dust से बचाते हैं. Third, we wear different clothes in different seasons. हम different clothes कब पहनते हैं? different seasons पे पहनते हैं. People of different states of India wear different types of clothes. हमारे इंडिया में different states में people different kinds of clothes पहनते हैं. Like in Punjab, salwar suits, the kurta pajama, and in Rajasthan, lehenga choli, in Uttar Pradesh, sarees, in Maharashtra, different kinds of sarees. हर state की अलग uniform या dress getup होता है. So now, clothes make us look smart. Clothes क्या बनाते हैं हमें? एकदम smart look देते हैं. So, on next page, here are some points also. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. जो woolen clothes होते हैं हमारी body को क्या रखता है? Warm रखता है. They protect us in winter season. We get wool from sheep. A uniform is a special cloth worn by people who do specific jobs. Uniform क्या होती है? Special cloth होती है. So कौन पहनता है? People पहनते हैं का जो कोई special job perform कर रहे होते हैं. Clothes make us look smart. Clothes क्या बनाते हैं? हमें एकदम smart look देते हैं. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.